diabetics, the onions which really helps in diabetes, it lowers the blood sugar levels because it has flavonoids which are antioxidants which really helps to reduce the blood sugar levels. It is a very good fiber diet where the fiber diet digestion will be better, and then the defecation problems will not be there, and then a patient gluconeogenesis in the body will be less, and it has less carbohydrate activity, and then the onions really acts like an antioxidants as well as proper digestion, so that the diabetics will have lot of benefits eating the onions.